Any video converter just got a huge update. We've added AI image and video generation. In this video, we're focusing on the image generation feature, and it's a total game changer. Just type exactly what style you want in the prompt and create in a few minutes. No complicated steps at all. 3D anime, realism, sketch, oil painting, cyberpunk, and etc. style, you name it, this tool nails it every time. Let me show you how simple it is. First, open the tool and update to the latest version, and you'll see the new image generation tab right here. Now let's get into creating. I'm just going to type a super simple prompt and choose the resolution, aspect ratio, number, and model. After that, click Generate and wait. We will got a stunning, realistic image in seconds. Let's test a more niche style, a dark fairy tale style. Whether you need high-res for prints, square for Instagram, or quick drafts for ideas, the settings let you tailor it to your needs. Now check it out. The details are perfect on point. Whether you're making social media content, design assets, personal art, or business visuals, this tool saves you time and crushes the results. The download link's in the description, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on getting the most out of the update. Thanks for watching.